I'm going to show you how the float switch, especially in underground water, it works. So in this particular episode, we're going to share you the float switch working principle inside the power control system. So as you can see from this is a motor protection control board, and at the very beginning, there are controlling mechanisms inside the motor control system. So as you can see from here, at the top there is the power incoming source, especially the motor protection breakers, as well as the fuses are indicated, as you can see from here. And at the middle of it, there are so many relay connections at the middle. Here we have direct online DOL system, which is coupled with thermal overload relay. So at the bottom here, we have a switch and we have a connection for those float switches. So before we're gonna present the float switch working principle, here are the connections. As you can see from here, the connection is each float switch have 4 wires. So that 4 wires are connected in the controlling algorithm in order to turn on the pump and turn off the pump for the flow of water. When the water discharges from the sump and the water fills inside the sump. So this is the simple connection, and this is the power incoming power, as you can see. So let us back since there is a connection problem in between. So now in this particular line, as you can see from the line here, this line is the power supply line, which is from the outside of this building. We are on the ground level at the current location. So from here, the power is coming from the outside, and which is entered in this particular board in order to activate this system. And that system, that power is coming into this particular system, and the system will be controlled by this particular line. As you can see from this lines are so-called the float switch lines. Look at here. So this is the line here, and the line is coming to here, and which is directly enter into the sump here. So this is the sump. The water is discharging and filling in this particular sump, which is a borehole. So now this is the water pumping system, so which is the U-channel water pumping system. Two submersible pumps are working together automatically. When one is start, the other is off. The second one is on, the other is off. So this is the way how it actuates and deactuates. So especially this electromechanical submersible pump is in order to discharge water or in order to absorb water from underground water here. So now we're gonna show you the working principle of this float switch. So now we are ready to show the float switch working principle. Now the float switch is, yeah, as you can hear from this, control siren, which indicated that this float switch is actually, yeah, deactivated. Now it is activated, which means that the line is connected. The line is connected means that there is a disconnection between the motor and this float switch. So now when we lower the float switch line, the circuit is full, and when we up, the float switch is now deactivated. So let us check now here. Look, which means that now it's not working in the appropriate way. So this is, by the way, the float switch working principle, and this is the so-called siren, which indicates the line so-called emergency power is gonna be interrupted in the particular working line. So I hope you understand some basic information about the float switch working principle. It is in order to control, in order to off and on, by checking the level of the water under the sump here. When the water peels from down to up, as you have seen from the previous video, the line is disconnected. Disconnected means the motor is turned off, and again it tilts down. The motor is running in the operational manner. So this is all about the working principle of a float switch in a practical working site. So thank you. I hope you got some basic information about the work. So this is my work partner. So thank you for this.